G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate. Welcome to my new listing, Unit 2, 19 Humphrey Street in beautiful New Norfolk. We're on the level 2-bedroom, open plan living, courtyard, carport, and we're walking distance to all services New Norfolk has to offer. Let's go in and take a look. Got a fully fenced yard, 2 garden sheds, carport, and so much more. If you've been looking for that fantastic unit, look no further. To book an inspection or for more information, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week, and I'm here to help.